Every time I press record, I'm asking a question. And it's a question I don't always have the answer to. Why do I create content? And from the outside, the answer may seem obvious. People think content creation is about numbers, views, likes, subscribers, the algorithm, going viral, building a personal brand and making money. And yeah, those things matter. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend they don't. Look, I track my analytics. I celebrate when a video does well. I need to pay my bills just like everybody else. But if that's all it was, I would have quit a long time ago. Because for every video that hits, there are 10 that don't. For every brand deal, there are 50 rejections. For every subscriber gain, there are hours spent editing a video that only a few people will watch. If content creation was just about the outcome, nobody would do it. The math doesn't make sense. The effort doesn't match the reward. Not at first anyway, sometimes not ever. So why do we keep going? I picked up a camera because someone else did first. I learned how to film myself because someone took the time to teach me, not in person, but through a screen, a video, a tutorial, a stranger who had no idea I existed, but they created something. And years later, it changed my life. That's what content creation actually is. It's not about the content, it's about the chain. Someone teaches you, you learn, you create, someone else learns, and then they create. I'm not creating for millions of people. I'm creating for one person. The person who's exactly where I was 3 years ago, 2 years ago, even 1 year ago. Scared, confused, wondering if they should even try. They'll never tell me, okay? Maybe they'll never subscribe, never comment, never like the video, but they'll take what I share and they'll use it. They'll film their first video, they'll post it, and someone else will watch. And the chain continues. Knowledge, pass forward, encouragement, multiply. One person helping one person who helps one person. That's the purpose. So why do I create content? Because in 10, maybe even 20 years, these videos might still exist. Someone else I'll never meet will watch them. And maybe, just maybe, they'll learn something that changes the trajectory of their life. Not because I'm special, not because I have all the answers, but because I took the time to share what I learned, the same way someone took the time to share that with me. Every tutorial, every behind the scenes, it's not just content. It's a hand reaching back, pulling someone else up. And when they get here, they'll reach back too. Well, at least that's what I hope. And that's what I call legacy. Not views, not subscribers. Legacy is the person you'll never meet, who learned from the person you taught, who learned from you. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you've posted your first video yet or your 100th. I don't know if anyone's watching this right now, but I know this. Someone needs what you know. Someone is trying to learn what you've already figured out. And if you don't create it, they'll never find it. And that's incredibly sad. So create. Not for the algorithm, not for the views, not even for the one person, but create because you're part of a chain that's been going since the first person decided to teach what they learned. And that chain doesn't break unless we let it. That's why I create content. Not because I have to, but because I get to. And if you're watching this, maybe you do too. And listen, as always, I'll see you. I will see you in the next one. Peace and love every single time. Dance.